Hey guys, this is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2025 Ford Maverick and we have the ultimate off-road light package for you guys. We installed a 23-inch slim curved light bar as well as a set of ditch lights. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this product. This is the factory low beams, this is the factory high beams, and this is the 23-inch light bar. Now let me add some ditch light. I want to show you guys how these two products complement each other very well. This is the light bar. When you turn on the ditch light kit, you do get a wider angle. You can aim them either forward or swivel them out for a wider view. Now let me turn off the light bar so you guys can see the ditch light kit by itself. So this is the ditch light kit, and in order to fill all the light in between, you got the light bar. So you guys are going to absolutely love it, and the best part about it is it's a super easy install, no drilling or cutting, and we provide step-by-step video instructions.